friends have been feeling rather uneasy, living differently, just doing their thing. Yet all their preferences are threatening to your overly boundary stepping philosophy. Yeah, you play to win. Consider this. How about joining any sports team one by one, properly performed pre-approved killings, pre-approved killings, and with your arms on fire, to-do lists in mind, you're taking off their time, taking off their time. Hey, gunner in the rain, who keeps you up at night? Why don't you tell me why you're afraid to turn off the lights? Hey, gunner in the rain, if justice isn't a lie, tell me who were made victims in the name of protection. My mind's diamond, messy car and greasy hair, paper mask, good filtration. I'm ready in this moment. White t-shirt and white sneakers for love and peace. So I have been playing for this party secretly, and I found this thing Santa gave me. He's just my daddy in a different name. Anyway, sorry, it's a submachine, water gun in pink, filling it up with cherry ice cream, watching hunt again one by one, properly performed pre-approved killings, pre-approved killings. And with my arms of water, turn up to your head and triggering a change, triggering a change, a smash of ice cream to and splattered on your face. Bullseye, bullseye, hey gunner in the rain, will I keep you up tonight? Hope my messages stick and sting a little bit. We're gunners in the rain, your bullet through my eye. Why don't you tell me why? Only now you feel regret. Hey gunner in the rain, I heard you don't have the right to hurt me like the others, 'cause we're way too similar. We're gunners in the rain. We decide which shot gets fired. We're gunners in the rain. We decide which